everyone, it's Mal from Sparkly Belly. Beaded appliques are perfect for decorating your dance costumes with, or even your dresses or bags. They make everything look so fine and high quality. So in this video, I'll show you how to make a beaded applique in 5 steps. Step 1. Draw. So the first step is to draw the outline of the applique on the base material. I'm using felt as a base here. No matter what design you decide to make, there's one very important thing you must ensure, and that's creating a clean outline. A clean outline is very important for making a professional looking applique, not a homemade looking applique. Once you draw your outline, if there are key marks like the center point for rhinestone placement, or if you want to create lines that radiate, mark them now. Step 2. Frame. Once you draw the outline and other major lines, first work on the outline with the material of your choice. Be sure to stay on the line you drew because, again, a clear outline makes an applique look more polished and professional. Step 3. Place large pieces. Now that the applique outline is done, let's place large pieces that stand out in your design. Step 4. Fill the rest. Now it's time to fill the empty areas. Step 5. Cut around the edge. Once you finish decorating, take a pair of scissors and cut out the applique. Cut close to the outline, but be careful not to cut any of your thread. And your applique is finished! It's actually quite easy, and simply repeat the steps to make more. If you want to learn more about how to do professional looking beading techniques or how to make different applique designs, check out my applique making course at the link in the description. And you can also get kits to make these designs of appliques in my store. Check out the DIY applique kits at the link in the description. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!